Just a real quick video here on channel membership and what you're going to get and how you become a member.
Why are we doing a channel membership, Zeb?
We are doing a channel membership because there is a ton of content out there that we create that doesn't necessarily make it to our mainstream videos in YouTube, that people are wanting the nitty-gritty details about how to flip furniture.
We're also doing it because lots of people have asked us for extra business coaching, extra information, behind the scenes details, including how we got started and what's going on, and they're interested in some of our printables that we're going to be offering, so we thought this would be a great opportunity for us to offer you some extras in case you wanted them. So when you join Jami Ray Vintage channel membership, what are you going to get? You're going to get emojis, you're going to get custom badges, you'll get real-time comments on all of our live videos. In addition to that, every month from the 1st to the 5th, we're going to be uploading some original printable artwork, either made by Zeb or I. In fact, this month's is already done. We're also going to include a chapter of the book that we're working on with all the information of how and why and what we do. We're going to be working on that and sending that to you. And we're also going to include at least one extra live stream for members only and an extra behind the scenes video every month. This is the base of what you're going to get, but we're hoping to include much more. How are you going to access all this? You're going to go to the community tab on the Jami Ray Vintage page for members only. In that, we're going to include the links to all the extras that we're offering, the links to our videos, and private community chat, which means, do you have questions? Do you need to know something? We're hoping to interact with you and get to know you a little bit better.
To become a channel member, there will be a join tab right there next to subscribe on our Jami Ray Vintage homepage on YouTube. And all you've got to do is click that. If you have a iOS or Apple device, there will be a link in the description of this video on where and how to join, and that'll take you right to the join page.
Don't worry, even if you don't join to be a channel member, we're gonna still keep offering you the same videos, the same content, the live information, the complete DIYs that we've always done. This is just gonna be in addition to that, something extra for those of you that want it. We love you all, and we hope to see you soon on the members only page.